on my way to the gym. I literally had to force myself to get up and get to the gym this morning. I ain't even gonna hold you. Like, I was contemplating not going. Then I seen a TikTok video of this girl with this badass body. I said, baby, the way she just served in that workout outfit, let me get on up in here. Motivation. Benzie. Benz. I'm going to the gym, bubs. Be good. Guard the house. Lately, working out has become like a mental reset for me. Like, it brings me so much clarity with all the chaos that's consuming my head constantly, 24/7. I've also noticed that it's helping me release like built up emotions that are just sitting in my body that don't have anywhere to go. I'm discovering that moving your body brings you peace. Good workout. If somebody would have told me a few years ago that I would currently be making content and working with brands on campaign deals, I would have looked at them like they were crazy. But life has a funny way of putting you on a wild roller coaster. And I can say that I'm happier now that I'm being creative. It's like, if I'm not being creative and doing what I love, then what is this life really all about? Right now, I'm mentally locked in, and I'm not stopping until I achieve all my goals and then get exactly what I want out of life. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Today, I got a couple of errands to run, but before we do that, we're about to eat. This is one of my favorite pizza spots in the city. I'm not about to argue about it. I like what I like.
You got me so turned up. You still gotta be so high. Weed always on my mind. No, he always on my mind. Don't ya? Know you want some of this perk. Just walk that, let's get burned. It will roll up 100 bucket blunts. All up in my mouth now. All up in.
The goods are secure. Now we're rolling out to the other store. It's cold as fudge cake outside.
You get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. You got me so turned up. You still gotta be so high. Weed always on my mind. No, he always on my mind. Don't ya? Know you want some of this, say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. It will roll up 100 bucket blunts. All up in my mouth now. All up in your.
I always try to switch to a different lotion, but it's like I always end back up at EOS lotion. So I don't know, but I do know I need a thick lotion, and I just might end up getting the EOS, because why am I switching something that already works, you know? Let's move around. There's too much coughing going on right now. I'm not trying to get sick.
That's ice till you get near. You're like another fire breathing.
Decisions. And once again, I'm playing around. I already know what I'm about to grab. The same thing I always get. When I tell y'all, growing up, this was my favorite cereal. And when they discontinued it, I cried like a baby. Ever since they've been back, I've been wearing them out. Normally, I get my almond milk from Publix because I like a specific brand, Edmondson, to be exact. They only have 3 ingredients. And I don't like the way that they make almond milk, like silk, like it's so thick. I don't like thick. Ugh. Anyways, we're gonna hope and pray that this is a good brand. Of course, as soon as I walk through the door, somebody, I'm not naming any names, act like they have to use the bathroom so bad. I literally was only gone for an hour. Lately, I've been perfecting my morning routine. I start the morning off using my singing bowls, and that's just to balance energy. And then I found Issa Welly on YouTube, and I absolutely love her beginner-friendly Pilates videos. So I've incorporated that in my routine as well. And then after I finish Pilates, I go to the gym, and I run at least 2 to 3, well, not run, walk 2 to 3 miles on the treadmill.
Bring a little intensity here, right? Almost like you're holding some weight. Keep alternating that breath, inhaling and exhaling.
Bands is so extra. I'm trying to move my hands, and he's constant. Like, why are you leaning? But like, bro, he need to get his butt down here and do some Pilates, big boy. So I just got done in the gym. I gotta hurry up and take a shower because I got an interview to get ready for. So let me hurry up and get myself together. Finally out of the shower, but I still need to hurry up. I already cleansed my face with the cleanser. Now I'm doing my toners. Going in with the moisturizer. Let's let this dry a little bit before I go in with the moisturizer. Just got a simple name major. Just a little professional 1-2-1-2, you know?
That's ice till you get near. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make me melt, but don't you forget it. If the first thing you felt forever do for reasons, it's only because you ain't here. I can't feel it in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all.
Can y'all tell the difference? This is with the mascara. This one doesn't have it. Now, about to do the other eye, and then I'll be right back. Just like that. Nothing too major. Keeping it real simple. Mind you, this is the interview. You know, you gotta keep it light with them. So, I think this is it. Feeling professional, feeling good. Now let's go and kill the interview. The good news is that the interview is on Zoom, so we do not have to leave the house. However, I do have to set up my phone and make sure the link works and all that old crazy hoop hop stuff, you know? Just making sure that my camera and stuff works. About to jot a couple of little quick notes down about the company, so if I start stumbling over my words or anything like that, I can just glance, pick up my thought process real quick, and get through with the interview. And of course, the whole time that I'm doing all of this prep work, and he's counting sheep as usual while I'm trying to bring in the bacon. So I just finished the interview. Nervous, to say the least. I hate interviews. Like, they give me the ick. Really, Vance? See me trying to record. Shut your butt out of here. Beat it, buddy. I had to change, get out of that, throw on something comfortable. But yeah, I'm glad that's over. But like I was saying, I do not like interviews. I don't know if I'm the only one like that, but yeah. Cheers. I think I got it. I don't know. We'll see. Happy Friday, people.
I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high.